Alright, I'm going to show you guys why I don't like plastic power strips. So here's one right here. You see right here. Melted, 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 melted. Okay, we're going to bust this thing open, and I'll show you. Okay. Alright. This is all they are. Bunch of strips in here, and they get wobbled out. You see the heat signatures on these. I've cut this cord out of here because I'm like, forget it. So this is what holds your plug in here, and it's not really very good design. So nice little rocker switch here with a bulb in it. Useless for anything else. You could take some parts out of here, but like really, you might as well just throw the whole thing in the trash. So this is why I don't like these kind. I don't feel like they're safe. As the thing gets wobbled out, the resistance gets greater, and then it starts to generate heat, and then if it gets enough heat, it'll melt the plastic, and if it melts enough of the plastic, it'll catch on fire and it'll burn your house down. Don't use plastic power strips.